Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a package I got all the way from Spain. It's the first time I've ever purchased any luxury items from Ekseption. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And yeah, it just came in 3 days time via DHL and I'm super excited. At first I was a little skeptical because this box is kind of tiny. I mean, look how small this box is. And there's 2 items in here. So when I opened up the package, I realized straight away that it does not come in the brand's gift boxes. So that was a little bit disappointing because I thought I could do a proper unboxing out of the brand's box, but I guess it saves on the shipping costs and the, you know, the weight and everything. So what I wanted to show you today, I'm doing an unboxing of 2 items. One is from Fendi and the other one is from Balenciaga. So both of the bags came in their own dust bags, and they're both smaller bags. So let me show you the Fendi one first. This one is a mini bag and it's something that I've wanted for over a year now. I actually wanted this in the Fendi logo, and it's super hard to find. It's always sold out. I think you can find it on certain websites right now, but it's never on sale. The price is full price, and I wanted to get this because I wasn't sure how I would like it because I've never had a bucket bag before. So I wanted to get something that was on sale, and I saw this one and I loved it, and I grabbed it. So this was on sale. It is the black calfskin leather and it's the mini Montresor bag. I mean, I eventually probably want to get the logo one. It comes in a black with the brown or the brown with the black logo. If I like this bag, I may upgrade it to that bag eventually. So straight off the bat, this is super cute. It is super tiny. It comes with a top handle that you can wear. You can put it in the crook of your arm, and it also comes with a crossbody strap. And let me just show you up close. As you can see, it has the brass hardware, the Fendi logo, and oh my god, it's actually so stinking cute. I mean, you can't really tell on the camera, but it's tiny. I mean, it is pretty small. Let me show you the packaging in here. Take this out. Okay, it does come with the Fendi comes with the Fendi authenticity card. So let me show you that inside, and yeah, let me show you the inside of this. It's hard to tell because it's dark inside, but it looks like a dark gray, like a micro suede. And there's no pockets or anything inside the bag. It's just like an empty bucket pretty much. And it has the Fendi tag with the serial number underneath. So yeah, and it has a drawstring so you can cinch it here. You pull on it and cinch it like that. Here's the Fendi tag. You can remove this. I'm going to take this off right now. So it's black calfskin leather with the brass hardware, and on the strap it also says Fendi on it. Yeah, it's so stinking cute. I mean, oh my god, I'm dying. It's so cute. I think I might actually change out the strap. I've seen some really cute Fendi straps right now, so you can make this more customized by changing out the top strap. But oh my god, this is adorable. I mean, I can't wait to use this. So cute. Love it. So that's the first one. And then the second one is Balenciaga. Oh my stinking cuteness. It is a wallet on chain. It has the black BB logo on black casket leather as well. And I don't know if you can see the detailing of this. It says Balenciaga on the leather. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. So inside the bag, this is a wallet on chain. So it's the small size of this bag. They do also have a larger size, I think a medium and a large. So inside the bag comes with the Balenciaga tag and another Balenciaga. The tag and the care card comes with every bag. And inside is also leather. There's so this is a strap on the inside. It looks like it's removable. It has like buttons here that you can open up, and it is like an antique black type of chain. And inside the bag has, can't really tell because it's dark, but it has pretty good sized room in there. And it has, since it's a wallet on chain, it has some credit card slots in here. I have another bag like this in the velvet, so I already know that there's 6 credit card slots with a big opening slot in the back, and then there is a zippered area in the front where you can store some cash or some other things right there. It's hard to tell, I know, because it's black on black, but that's the look of the bag. And it has like a magnet here that closes, and sometimes it's hard to like get it straight on, but you just have to wiggle it around and it closes. It does have like a little tiny button clasp, but it's like pretty much like magnetic. So yeah, this is so cute. This is also a crossbody and super cute. In the back of the bag you can see again the Balenciaga logo all ingrained into the leather, and it has like this diagonal design on it. So yeah, I just realized about 2 black bags but they're adorable. I hope you like this unboxing, and if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button down below. You can also follow me and on Instagram at Designer Haul, where I do a lot of shopping and show all my finds. I love to buy things that are on sale and a great deal. So follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul, and I will see you next time. Bye.